Hello, kindergartners. Yay, we are on chapter 8. Oh my gosh, so we get to start our new Go Math book. Chapter 8. We are working on writing 20 and beyond. That means greater than 20. So we're going to start out on this page, 309. Oh my goodness, 309. This tells us to use cubes to model 20. But we're going to just make 20 with our counters. And here's the fun thing about making 20 in 10 frames. We know that 10 plus 10 equals 20. So that's so fun and easy, 10, 20. So we know we can fill up this 10 frame and this 10 frame for 10 and 20. For those of you watching the video, I also want you to write, I want you to write your numbers inside those circles, inside those counters. Because this is good practice for us. Writing our numbers and making them look beautiful. We go slow like a pro. I'll probably speed mine up here when I film, just so we can go faster, but I want you to go slow. I want you to go slow, make your numbers nice, okay? And then all the way to 20, and this is the tricky part, 11 through 20. We know they all start with a 1, so a 1 has to come first. So 11, one group of 10, and one extra. 12, one group of 10 and 2 extra. 13, one group of 10 and 3 extra. 14, one group of 10 and 4 extra. 15, one group of 10 and 5 extra. 16, one group of 10 and 6 extra. 17, one group of 10 and 7 extra. Ooh, I'm getting tongue-tied here. 18, one group of 10 and 8 extra ones. After 18 is 19, one group of 10 and 9 extra ones. And then 20. If we're looking at 20 here, how do you think we should write it? Yes, a 2 first, because there are 2 groups of 10. And are there any extra ones? No, there are not. So it's 2 groups of 10 and 0 extra ones, right? 10 is one group of 10, 10 items. 20 is 2 groups of 10, one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 10, 20. And that is why we write 20 with a 2 first. Meet me on the next page when you're finished with your numbers. All right, so we have 20 here. We're going to count and tell how many. So count each one of these. We're going to split them into 2 groups of 10. And I know that you can just look at them and say, oh, that's 10, 20. But I want you to count to a grown-up to really make sure you're hitting all your numbers and you're not missing any. That can be tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we trace 20, a 2 and a 0. Now you're going to make 20 counters in here. This time you don't have to write them. That's the fun part. We can just fill it up. We know if we fill up 2 10 frames, then that will equal 20. Look how fast that was. 10, 20. Down here, use the cubes to model. So let's make our cube train. 2 cube trains of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one cube train of 10. And now choose your other color. And let's make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 groups of, 2 groups of 10. One red group of 10 and one blue group of 10. Some of you have red and blue. Some of you have different colored cubes. If you can't find your cubes, you can use your counters. 10 yellow ones, 10 red ones. Take a picture of this page with your cube trains or your counters on them. All right? I'm going to move this off. On this page, sometimes when we count in a circle, it can be very tricky because we might count the first one twice. We don't want to do that, so we always want to mark where we're starting. I'm going to put an X. I think I'm going to start over here. I'm going to put an X on this one, so I know that's going to be my number 1. Then I can say 1, 2, 3, and you're going to touch each one as you go around. You can mark them or touch them. Go all the way around to here. Write how many. Down here, these look like little plums, don't they? I want you to count them, mark them as you count them all, and write the number. All right, and meet us on the next page when you have completed that. Oh my goodness, we're getting so good at this. Lily made a necklace with 20 beads. Circle to show the beads Lily uses to make her necklace. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my goodness, the whole necklace. Count how many are blue and write the number, and count how many are yellow and write the number. And it just says tell a friend about it. Are there more blue ones or more yellow ones, or are they equal amounts? Down here, draw and write to show what you know about 20. Write the number 20. Remember, 20 is 2 groups of 10. So there's 2 groups of 10 and 0 left over. And then make 20 of something for me. You can draw 20 of something. Maybe you want to put on 20 bears or 20 counters or 20 cubes. You can decide. And then if you're using objects to make 20, make sure you take a picture of the page with the objects on. This page, same thing. Choose where you want to start. Put an X on it. I think I'll start over here this time. That will be my number 1. Count, write the number. Count the strawberries, write the number. Last page. Count and write the number. Count and write the number. This one reads, we have 1 boat plus how many more boats? Equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats altogether. So we had 1 boat here. How many more boats join them? All right, have fun with math.